First line of research consists in using accounting information to identify some indication of money laundering in criminal firms, or in other words, firms controlled by a mafia organization in Italy. Producing some indicator based on accounting information of abnormal values. The second line of research consists in identifying indicator of avoidance of tax, in particular social security contribution. Using accounting information, I developed some measure of abnormal value of social security contribution in order to detect avoidance or evasion and labor exploitation practices. Mafia needs to invest all this illicit money that gain from illicit activity like drug trafficking, weapon trafficking, prostitution, and etc. Mafia is investing in firms, in particular in sectors characterized by low technology, like construction, real estate, and restaurants. In the period of current economic crisis that we are living is particularly dangerous, because usually mafia take advantage of the situation of economic crisis. The award of public contracts, now there are less strict controls, and this may give opportunity to this mafia organization to get this public contract. It's quite important that in the award of the public tender, the price should not be the main criteria. More concentration of the criminal organization in the economy or in the politics generate embezzlement, misappropriation of public resources, inequality, economic underdevelopment. The infiltration cannot be or can be hardly measured, but the effects definitely are in front of us.